Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying issue where your Google Chrome screen shifts to the right or left. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing and managing your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page where you can adjust various features and preferences to solve the screen shifting problem. The settings page gives you access to multiple solutions, so we'll walk through each one systematically. Now, the first solution you can try involves adjusting Chrome's graphics settings. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on System from this menu. Once you're in the System section, look for an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. You'll notice a toggle button right beside this option. Click the toggle to turn graphics acceleration off. This feature uses your computer's GPU to render web pages faster, but sometimes it can cause display issues like the screen shifting problem you're experiencing. Disabling it forces Chrome to use software rendering instead, which often resolves these visual glitches. If that doesn't solve the issue, let's move to the second solution. On the left side navigation menu, click on About Chrome. This section automatically checks whether you're running the latest version of Google Chrome. Keeping your browser updated is crucial because Google frequently releases patches that fix bugs and display problems. If you see that an update is available, make sure to install it right away. An outdated version of Chrome can cause all sorts of unusual behavior, including the screen shift issue you're dealing with. Now, if neither of those solutions works, we have one final option that's quite effective. On the left side menu, click on Reset Settings. This section allows you to restore Chrome to its original state, which can eliminate problems caused by conflicting extensions or corrupted settings. You'll see an option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click on it and a confirmation window will appear explaining what will be reset. Go ahead and click Reset Settings to confirm. This will clear your startup pages, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs while keeping your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords intact. And that's it. You've now gone through 3 effective solutions to fix the screen shifting issue in Google Chrome. One of these methods should resolve the problem and get your browser displaying properly again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.